Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speaker, loosen the screw on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Find the speaker and disconnect the cables. Unlatch the speaker to remove it from the system. To reinstall the speaker, relatch it to the system and reconnect the cables. Slide the side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.